Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to share how to analyze your website's traffic channels and their effectiveness. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. There are two main situations we'll look at. First, let's talk about poor usability on your site. The second situation is when you have a poor traffic channel. In this case, it's important to analyze traffic channels separately. Here's how. Analyze the average session duration. Examine which actions users take during a session and how many times they do them. Determine the number of sessions that last less than 15 seconds on your site. Remember to apply traffic channel filters when analyzing these metrics. In addition, you should analyze individual video sessions in the report. These insights will help you understand user behavior better and identify any issues. Based on this data, you can then refine your traffic channels by making adjustments to your marketing campaigns. Alternatively, you could investigate why the first screen isn't effective for mobile or desktop users. This could be due to poor design, slow loading times, or other factors that impact user experience. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more great content improving your website's usability and traffic. Until next time.